inside the vehicle at all times. You guys ready?
I'm good. Let's do this shit.
Yeah, we're ready.
Alright, slowly drive towards the gate, please.
There we go!
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Everything is perfectly A-okay. Everything is A-okay, Delirious.
Oh, we did it. We still got your thumb up.
Way to go, guys. Way to go. Play that riff, baby. Play that riff.
Like Black
Sounds fucking good, man. Sounds really fucking good. Super impressed.
My name is Delirious, and I'm real serious.
Way to go, guys.
Call me mysterious.
10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of fucking 10.
My name is Delirious.
Dude, Delirious, you're going
Won't you like the video?
I have to say, your last performance, it was killer.
Thanks,
It was really
Louie.
cool. Two people died. It's a killer performance.
Lots of people died.
Literally.
Ready? Here we go.
That was awful!
It's so bad!
That wasn't even the right note.
What note did you buy, Delirious? Next note on this.
I feel like Delirious is the kid in the back of the orchestra just holding up the triangle.
He has to hit it like 2 times a song and he fucks up both of them.
I don't know when I had to go.
After Vanos goes da 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 da, it goes living in a long.
Again, you have like 2 notes.
Listen, Triangle Boy, get it right!
Oh, God damn it!
Damn it, Delirious!
God fucking damn it, Triangle Boy!
I did it right! No, you
I can't hit him!
Totally good. Can we do it? Get it, Evan. Get it, Evan. Go. Keep going. Oh, what's your guitar, you faggot?